worse. Thank God he has his granddaughters here to help him out. They're sisters, 15 and 10. Engaging the enemy in combat so we could use his physiological data to improve the drones had always taken a toll on Mihai's body. But today, he was really showing his age. The drones we based on his data were being taken down at a faster rate now compared to when the war began. When Mihai found that out, he insisted on flying to the front lines to see it for himself. Sometimes he could be so stubborn. His age wasn't the only thing affecting his health. Over the years, flying at high altitudes for prolonged stretches of time had ravaged and poisoned his body. But he was a man of grit. Today, after 28 years, he saw combat again. If his flight suit still wasn't good enough to protect him, I can't imagine how many G's he hit today during the battle. As a pilot, he exceeds all our expectations. It's going to take a bit more tweaking before our drones can match his skill.
How penal is this penal unit, you ask? This place is a shithole. If you took the stink of all the corruption in the world, then corralled it all in one place, that would give you a pretty good idea of what the air smells like around here. We got all kinds of critters, too. Everything from flea-ridden guards, rabid dogs, and a mechanic doing a stretch for life. I can't forget the rats. Yeah, we got those. And some pilots who got their wings clipped, too. One's a great pilot, but a lousy thief. One's a gambler with no luck. And one's an anarchist with no balls. Their job here was to rev the engines on the fake runways. The idea was for Aruja's spy satellite to pick up the heat sig. Even though there weren't any real fighters here, it looked like it on their infrared. I bet you're wondering, if Aruja lost the war, how come they still have a spy satellite? Because someone over there was smart enough to train a bunch of computer nerds to hack into half of Osia's satellites. That's how come. Every now and again, I'd try to bust out. And every single time, those damn dogs would drag me right back. When I was in my cell, I'd hear this voice coming from the guards room. It was the Arusian princess rallying her people on the Arusian national broadcast. All us prisoners had become big fans of hers. You want to hear something funny? The guards were big fans too. I swear to God, every time she was on the air, they'd turn up the volume on the radio and sit there listening. I could see how someone like her could win the hearts and minds of soldiers and workers alike. When the princess said something, you could tell she meant every word. Lately, she'd been having more fun with her speeches, and that made her seem even more charming. You could say her charm was like a virus. Whenever she'd point out stuff that was wrong with Osia, the prisoners in here went nuts.
Huh.
Hell, if anyone knew how messed up Osia was,
So
it was
like
the prisoners.
The prisoners
They'd
like
shout,
the queen.
"Burn Osia down."
Or the princess.
No way am I just gonna sit here and rot away in this hellhole. Dark blue. Instead of building fake-ass planes to trick Aruja, I'm gonna build one that'll really take off.
And we know she can do it.
On that.
Alright, mission 4, rescue.
As proved by the failure of our previous strategy, the Arsenal birds have bolstered the enemy's anti-air network. This will be difficult to overcome. However, we still need to get swiftly to the space elevator no matter what it takes.
We're gonna dodge a radar, it looks like.
Someone there is counting on us. The hero of the Circum-Pacific War and the man who spearheaded the construction of the space elevator. Osia's former president, Mr. Harling. Mr. Harling was inspecting the elevator when the war broke out. He's been classified as missing since the elevator was taken over by the Erusian forces. However, according to the latest intel, a military officer accompanying Mr. Harling hid him inside the facility.
Alright, so he's definitely there. The former president. And we gotta go rescue
Enemy
him.
anti-air radar network has been set up around
Because
the
he's
space
stuck
elevator.
there?
It's likely a large squadron would be detected.
Alright.
We will send a single aircraft through the network.
That'll be
sending
us.
a rescue team soon after. A number of anti-air radars have been set up around the space elevator. However, our reconnaissance suggests their network is weakest along the southeastern coast of Selatakura. So we
Cool.
can elude the enemy's observation. There are a lot of rain clouds this time of year. Flying through the clouds will enable us to stay hidden from their radar. If you happen to be detected by their radar, we will be forced to abort the mission. The lone pilot will head up this strategy as you, Trigger.
So dodge and stay
After
really
we bust
low.
through, secure the rescue craft's landing zone by taking out the anti-air weapons. Gollum and others will arrive shortly for support.
Okay.
Provide
So-
escort for Mr. Harling's craft after rendezvous. Good
Damn.
luck out there,
It's a
everyone.
lot. Dodge radars. Blow up the shit. Oh god. Okay, so this is us. We gotta get there under radar. Blow all that shit up. Let's just start it. Let's go. We're gonna take out the F-35C Lightning II. And we're gonna go all air to air. Yeah, definitely. Let's see, what are we sporting? We got special 44, missiles, 120, flares, guns, arm. You know what? Let's just go. Let's do it. I think that's pretty good.
Preparations complete. Sortie ASAP.
If not, we'll respec and try again. Rescue the former president. Cool. I bet this is gonna be hard. I bet this is gonna be hard. Cloud cover broken. Operation Lighthouse Keeper. Gunther Bay. 2019. Okay. We're a little bit past that by like a month.
Entering operation area. Imposing radio silence.
I love our plane.
We'll radio you, but you are not permitted to make contact.
Okay.
If you're spotted, the mission is over. Stay out of enemy radar.
Alright.
Use
So,
of weaponry is also
we're
strictly
gonna take
forbidden.
the first left.
Okay, you're heading up the Harling rescue mission. The success of this mission depends on you. Good luck. Careful of ice formation in the clouds.
Thanks. We're hauling ass. Alright, let's, where are we going? Just left for a while.
Trigger, you're a third of the way to the rendezvous point. Good job, but stay focused.
And then whenever we can go right, I guess go right. Oh shit. That was so close.
Situation normal. No change. RTV,
Damn, we're close.
Trigger, you got two directions you can take up here. Just
Go
go with your
right.
gut. Don't worry, we're watching over you. You're making good progress, Trigger. You're currently halfway to your rendezvous point.
Oh,
Look, I'm
that's a
not
tight
gonna lie,
squeeze.
It's just gonna be you and your radar out there.
Damn.
Just know you got a bunch of people pulling for you.
Alright,
And
let's
I'm
go this
3
way.
points of the way. Been a long fight, but you're
And
nearly
then
home.
we'll slide through. Right there.
Harling is still the president in my eyes. He ended the war, built
See
a
if we can
space
do
elevator,
this.
launched a spaceship from it.
Damn, that's a tight
Despite his
squeeze.
success, he remained a humble
We did it.
hero. I'll do my best to save him. Lend me a hand, Trigger.
Game on. Alright. Let's see. How do we want to hit
The first
this?
stage of the mission is clear. Don't celebrate yet. The real fight's about to get started.
Yeah, I know.
Radio silence is now lifted. The auxiliary craft will be arriving shortly. Destroy
Where?
the anti-air around the space elevator. We're securing Sea Goblin's landing zone. Mage 2, target destroyed. Half
Oh,
of the
just
SAM
keep
sites
moving.
are down. Mage 2, target down.
Damn, we got that one
Target
too.
destroyed.
Keep going.
Mage 2, walking.
Alright, let's just keep it
Quick,
close.
missile incoming. Half of the anti-air guns down.
Damn, this is close. Eventually they're gonna get us.
Sorry about the wait. Cavalry's here. Column squadron. Trigger jumped through the fire. Now it's our turn.
Nice. Did we do it? We got them all. Dude, that was fast.
All aircraft, eliminate the enemy before they can respond.
Where?
All SAM sites down. All anti-air guns destroyed. The landing zone
Alright.
is secure. Sea Goblin, you are cleared to land.
Roger. Run in point sight. We're almost there.
Multiple bandits over Selatapura Harbor. They're container-launched UAVs.
Where?
Seeing up here, going up to meet them 2
That way. That was good. We did some really good flying.
Rescue craft tagged on. Initiated.
I hate it when I hit. I'll get cocky.
Rescue craft on the ground is defenseless.
Alright, let's take out those guys. Go, go, go,
Destroy
go,
all
go, go, go,
hostiles.
go.
It's been a long journey, but you're on the home stretch.
Gargoyle will stand by near the space elevator.
Sea Goblin, heading over to the ex-president's location now. Run for the container!
Mage 2, walking. Mage 2, missile away.
Yeah, Mage 2 destroy the target. Missile closing, you better make it. Yeah, Mage 2 destroy the target.
Where are they?
In my sights.
We'll pass out some exhaustion before the enemy wears out. Ambush!
Alright.
On the force door! They're targeting us!
That guy.
Find the chopper!
Oh, they got it.
Return fire! Sierra 2, hold position! We're cut off! Taking fire! We're pinning out! Shoot back! Ex-Prez identified! Behind the gantry crane! Mr. Harley! They're right there! Jacob's been hit! Incoming rocket!
I have no idea what's
Sea
happening.
Goblin, all
Damn.
survivors, respond. Is Mr. Harling alive? Eliminate all enemy UAVs. Don't let up.
They got the chopper and Sierra 2! That was so barbaric!
Oh no.
Rocket!
There's another guy. God, there's so many of them. Alright, hold on now. Let's tag these guys.
This is Colonel Johnson. Do you copy? I am with President Harley. Rescue unit down. Long that the soldier who had this radio. We'll get Mr. Harley out of here.
Sir, we feel the same way. We'll figure something out. That's about half. Mop up the rest. UAV confirmed down.
We found out a Norwegian transport craft. Its engines are on.
I heard you were in the Air Force, Colonel. Can you fly?
Better than Mr. Harley.
It'll do. 3 remaining. All squadrons be advised. The call sign is Mother Goose 1. I've sent
Mother
the information
Goose
via the
1.
data link.
Mother Goose 1? That's the best you can come up with?
Let's go tag this guy.
1 remaining.
Fuck 2, fuck 2!
Got him.
All UAVs have been splashed.
Let's go back.
All aircraft. Former President Harling's transport is ready to take off. Mother Goose 1,
We're going
take
back.
off.
Mother Goose 1 taking off.
Let's wait till we're home safe. Mage Squadron, Mother Goose 1 is heading south. Provide support. 5 minutes remaining.
Skykeeper, bogeys on my radar. Bearing 220.
Sighting confirmed as MQ-101, forerunner for Arsenal Bird.
The big bird is coming, huh?
Oh,
Mage, protect Mother
Seriously.
Goose 1. Shoot down any UAVs. Gollum, intercept the UAVs.
Golem 1 will kill. That last battle taught me a lot about those a-holes. Golem 2,
Nice.
don't stray off on me. Always maintain elements.
Wilco, warming up.
Enemy UAV down. Great job, Trigger. Mage 2, locked.
Ooh, let's get that guy.
Mother Goose 1, UAV on your tail. Take evasive action.
I hear you. But this isn't exactly a fighter.
Whoa, again, Trigger? Can't let you have all the glory.
Understood. An arsenal bird is on its way. Strategic AI chose liberty over justice. The courses have already changed.
Locked on.
I'm getting quiet, sorry.
Gargoyle Squadron, stand by for my order.
Go.
Not the lighthouse. I mean the harbor. They won't be able
Got
to
him.
get home.
UAV down.
That ship isn't one of ours. Where's the signal? Gargoyle, change radio frequency.
Mother Goose 1 here. We're about to leave the airspace. Keep your fingers crossed.
Go.
Minutes remaining.
Attention, Gargoyle Squadron, baffle.
Ooh.
Gargoyle 3 to Babel. Babel, roger.
Alright, we got some F-14 Tomcats helping us. I think? Maybe? Who's that? No, yeah, they're hitting... Wait. Yeah, they're on our side. I think? Yeah.
I'm spiked. Skykeeper, what the hell was that?
Gargoyle did their job.
I figured, but why weren't we informed? The IUN can't coordinate between branches as usual. Gargoyle Squadron, report.
One hit was scored.
Alright, where's the other one?
The elevator swim brake took a scratch. Nothing more.
Roger. Continue to maintain air superiority. Mother Goose 1 hit.
Mother Goose 1 has been hit. Colonel Johnson, respond. Mage Squadron, assess the situation.
This is Mage 1. I have Mother Goose 1 in my sight. Cabin's fine, but the cockpit's not looking so good.
Colonel Johnson,
go.
are you okay?
There we go. 1, 2, 3.
Don't worry about that. Just send help this way.
Coming.
I'm sorry. Get Mr. Harling. Please.
Wait, what the
Mother
hell
Goose
was
1,
that?
respond. Mother Goose 1,
Skykeeper, should we continue providing cover for Mother Goose 1?
of course.
Go.
Fired.
Miss, that's a miss. Mother Goose
It's a
1 is
miss.
turning. What's going on? They're heading to the space elevator.
Alright, we got 2 more.
It's flying at a steady altitude. Who's in control?
It's not the Colonel. Mr. Harling's the only one on board. Mother
One
Goose
more.
1, respond. Mr. Harling, please respond.
We can't protect our objective if it sticks around here. Now's not the time to freak out, fellas. We've still got a job to do, so let's do it. Keep your mind focused.
Mr. Harling, we are not giving up on you. The UAVs are approaching Mother Goose 1.
Let's go, Trigger.
Take him down now, Mage Squadron. 1 minute remaining.
Alright.
Mother Goose 1, turn 180 degrees and...
Oh, we did it. Wait, that wasn't us. Somebody else did that. What the hell was that? Damn. We were guarding them
Oh my
really
God.
good.
Mother Goose 1 has been shot down. Where'd the missile come from?
Dude, that was... No. No, no, no. Bullshit.
Verify the
Bullshit.
situation. Stop speculating.
Friendly fire. I saw it.
Mother Goose 1 exploded in air. No one could have survived.
Looks like it tried to protect the elevator. The Erusian bastards, they just killed a hero.
Mage 1. Was it Trigger? Trigger was the closest. UAVs were crawling all over our objective. I told you to keep a goddamn eye on the hatchling. It must have been a mistake.
Arsenal bird is entering. All aircraft withdraw immediately.
Man, we didn't shoot him. We were guarding him. He was like behind me anyway. No, maybe he was in front
Can't
of me.
fly for a while.
I definitely didn't shoot him.
The operation to rescue former President Harling has failed. Sadly, there is no hope he survived. Trigger, you are suspected of assassinating the former president.
Oh,
There
that
will be an
sucks.
inquiry. There will most probably be a court-martial.
Wow. Let's see. We killed 20. We killed 10. We killed 25 ground units. Damn. Wow. Let's keep going. Oh, I love these videos. Oh shit. Alright, I'll let you watch a video.
Bad news for us here at the prison. The enemy fell for our decoy base. With all the fake planes and trucks we had out, it must have looked to them like the Ocean Air Force was about to go on the attack. Day after day after day after day, they bombed us. Osea didn't give a damn. We weren't soldiers to them, so go ahead. Bomb us. In their eyes, we were expendable. Worth less than the fake planes in the bunkers. No biggie. While I made fake planes, they had me put together some working ones. Then, some genius at HQ decided we should send it up, so the base looked legit. Thankfully, we had people to crew them. It didn't matter what we were locked up here for anymore. Top brass needed pilots, and criminals were all they had. A crook, a gambler, an anarchist. Just your typical lowlifes. They threw each one of them in a cockpit and sent them up to intercept the enemy's planes. But in the end, it was all just for show. So, up they went, day after day after day. Today they tossed someone new into the mix. Wonder what he did to get sent here. My dad died flying for the Ocean Air Force. When your allies are surrounded, one of the most dangerous missions is giving them cover to retreat. Whoever signed up for that was a real hero. But even more dangerous than that was being the one who had to cover the rear guard's retreat. That was my dad's job, and one time, he called it off. Said it was too late for him. Said anyone else would have done the same. I found that out from a war buddy of his when he came to tell me how my dad died. The next time a retreat happened, my dad volunteered to be in the rear guard. Dumbass.
Oh wow.
He died all right. No one came to help. The new of all the ways to get killed, that's gotta be the most pathetic one ever. Am I right?
That sucks. That sucks. That sucks.
There's a rumor going around about another inmate. A guy they brought here a little while ago. Get this. Talk in the cell block says he was sent here because he killed Harling, the president of Osea during the last war, remember? He's the one that sent my dad on that suicide mission. He's the reason I had to go live with my grandpa, and why me and Gramps started building a supersonic jet. He's the reason I ended up here.
Huh. Well then.
Maybe I should give that guy a thank you note for killing him.
Oh, cool. She likes us.
The smell of this place. It's all fake and lies and bullshit.
And bullshit.
Reeks.
Alright. Mission 5444. We are now in prison, I think. If I'm correct.
Alright guys, I'll let you in on some juicy info. The new guy was found guilty by the International Union Peacekeeping Forces court-martial. He is the murderer of Harling in the flesh. His TAC name's Trigger. Now, as of today, he may be attached to the Ocean Air Force Base 444th Squadron. But that is just some symbolic bullshit. It doesn't really matter if he's Harling's murderer or not. Every last one of you has been incarcerated for one reason or another. You cons have an obligation to atone for your crimes. A few of you in the penal unit know how to fly, and HQ needs to plug the deficit in our Air Force. So they proposed sending you guys on a reconnaissance mission to the Waiapolo Mountains. But that idea was flat out rejected. Nope, you'll be atoning for your crimes right here at this base. This base is a decoy designed to draw enemy fire. And as members of this base, you'll be taking hits from the enemy.
Damn.
This will allow our forces to safely prepare a counterattack.
Wait, really? We gotta take hits from the enemy? Without shooting?
Switch off that alarm. It's just the usual. I thought Zapland was supposed to be an isolated area. Okay.
I'm not a decoy.
I'm gonna need a few aircraft to scramble.
Better than solitary. Enemy aircraft detected over the dummy runway.
We just need to make it look like we can put up a fight. Some of those piles of junk can at least take off. Let's get the guiltiest cons in the sky first.
Alright.
We'll start with Harling's murderer.
That's us.
We don't expect you to down any bombers. But what we do want is to make them think that we've got an active base here.
Okay. So we're a decoy. This is us. That's the other people, the criminals that are flying with us. Those are the fighter enemy, fighter bombers enemy. Let's just go. I wonder if I should be like quick. Where to got this thing's pretty quick, I'm thinking. Air to ground. I don't really need air to ground, do I? Air to air. Yeah, let's just stick with it. Let's go. Air to air. Start.
It's time to get busy, convicts.
And yep, we're still
Proceed
playing
with
on
your mission
hard.
now.
This is the first time on hard. Deceive and disrupt the enemy in the air above the base. Alright, few clouds. High card. Zaplin's the area where the prison base is. July 1st. The last mission we did was like June something. I can't remember. June 19th. But yeah, I'd rather fly than be stuck in prison for sure. Alright. I mean, we're in a really nice plane.
Taxi to the runway now. Check your altimeter and wait in front of the runway.
Control, would you kindly send me up first?
Who's this dude?
Champ, this is the
Champ.
control tower. You're not cleared for takeoff. Obey
Champ.
orders. Go to hell. All aircraft preparing for takeoff. Watch out for Spare 8. He's forcing a takeoff.
I'll take up command. Any objections?
I think they're flying MiGs. That blue one, that's us right there. I think that's a
Trigger, your
Hornet
call
behind
sign is
us.
Spare 15. Consider it your prisoner number for the air. Commencing deception and interception.
Alright. Let's go.
Spare 15, the runway's free. You have permission to take off. Go now.
My blood's boiling!
Toss the chump in solitary once he gets back.
There's all our team, there's our base we're trying to protect.
Spare 15, takeoff confirmed. Altitude restriction lifted. Go. So, no missiles again. The FCS is locked. Damn.
I guess we just fly around.
Let's make this more interesting. Prisoners use nothing without supervision. Not even a pencil.
So we have no weapons right now.
Harling's murderer.
Just Gotta mess with these
Shot
guys.
2 missiles right between old Harling's eyes. Always in the know, aren't you? In this war, intel is a life.
Let's follow Champ. See what he does.
Excited to have another murderer with you? This is Bandog. Spare 15, I'm handling surveillance. The bombers that attacked the runway are coming back for another round. I know it's just a dummy runway. You guys just need to make a lot of noise. Make them think there's fighters at the base.
Okay.
Anyone got a smoke? I'll owe you one.
Let's buzz this guy.
Just think of it as you atone for your crimes.
Alright, let's do a circle. Let's flip over.
One more thing. Any
Let's buzz these
aircraft in the
bombers.
operation area will be shot down. You hear me?
Damn.
Look at them. Blowing up a bunch of paper planes.
The enemy seems to think our air force is concentrated on this base. Everything on the ground is fake. Can't the enemy see that? They're that convincing.
Shit, the enemy just hit the control tower.
Hey, what's with all the shit?
Alright.
Not let the enemy
Let's
get
try this
closer.
view.
Are you trying to kill me?
Shall I order them to shoot down all? Commander McKinsey? Damn it! Spare squadron, listen up. Shoot down everything carrying bombs. Weapons free. You're cleared to engage. Show no mercy.
Mighty done by now. Gonna have to rethink the odds.
Alright.
Wanna bet which one of us gets the first kill
Kills after
trigger?
it starts. This is the first. If count's going forward, I decide when you die. All right, I'm assuming command. All aircraft support me. Who's gonna dance to your lying tune? I'll show you all how it's done. Spare
Nice.
15, bandit splashed. Trigger, keep an eye on your head count. We can compare later. Yeah, I'm betting that report will get dressed up real pretty. Sorry. Head to the next target. Radar pinged. Incoming hostile group detected. Take care of them. I know. A bomber's at high altitude. Stop watching your own asses and look up.
We hit it? Yep, we got him.
In this unit, you get your tail marked with scratches. The more scratches, the more heinous the crime. They're called sin lines. You have
Where
3
is he?
scratches, right, Trigger? Well, you
Where are they? There they are.
We're cut off. We can't break away. We can't. We lost all of them. Why the hell are we out here? We're losing escorts. Hurry it up. Finish the job and let's get out. No, we're running.
Swipe around. Uh-oh.
Enemy sighted.
Box 2!
Missile inbound. Breaking.
What else we got?
What he's famous for. I wouldn't go that far. Target's that small on a challenge. Don't let it go to your head, murderer. Multiple bandits inbound. We
Alright.
got bombers and support. All aircraft
Bombers
follow me.
and
You too,
support.
murderer. Gee, 35C squadron leader.
What do we got?
Well done, bandit. Attacking.
Trigger, don't get shut down now. I got good money riding on your survival. Some guys have got big money riding on you going down, so watch your back.
Spare 7, shut up. You don't need to yap to pull the trigger.
Wingman down. I'm surrounded.
Wow, look at Trigger go. Lucky shot.
Trigger again.
On fire. We're going down.
Don't get excited. It's beginner's luck.
Chew on lead, pal.
Bailing out.
This is a pretty nice ride. It's been serviced pretty good. Can't believe these suits used to be scrapped. Just what kind of magic does she have up her sleeves anyway?
I don't know what her problem is. Acting like she's royalty or something. bad tempered, Tom. Yeah, Trigger got most of them. Maybe even all of them. That was tough luck, tabloid.
Spare 15, don't take all the fun away from your comrades. 4 targets remaining.
Got it.
3 targets remaining.
One bandage back. Missile inbound. Breaking. Spike. Breaking away.
Too far, Duns. Get closer. The targets are still active.
Damn, this is hard.
What the hell are you doing? Are you... Wilco, Man and McKenzie, please maintain silence for the moment. 2 targets remaining.
Why in the world would someone make a squadron of convicts? Gotta be some kind of reason. Now the paper-mache strategy at the base seems to be doing the trick. Guess every man and his dog has an idea how to end the war.
Nice.
All targets confirmed eliminated.
Hell yeah! Still alive, Harling's murderer? And
Yeah.
dinner's on me tonight.
Cut the chatter, Spare Squadron. Mission complete. RTB. Trigger's still with us. Must have the devil in his corner. Spare 7, what happens if the one you've bet on dies while landing?
What does that
Then
mean?
you win. So what? You're not done?
Just checking.
Spare 15, this is the control tower. Make your
Damn,
landing
that was
check.
fun.
We don't want a wreck blocking the runway. Spare
Okay.
15, you have permission to land. Wind conditions are calm. 3,000 meters. Too fast. Lower your airspeed. Lower your nose. You're too high. 1,500 meters. Heading is good. Stay on course.
Nice. This is what a
Release your
jet
down.
looks like?
Careful with the aircraft next time.
What are you talking about?
I
How
lost
much
a lot of
damage
money
did I
for that
take?
Trigger. Don't forget.
I don't see any damage. Alright, let's watch that. That was awesome. We're gonna watch the video. I'll be back in a little bit.
My blood's boiling! Toss the chump in solitary once he gets back. Sperry, when you land, your ass is grass.
Spare 15. Takeoff confirmed. Altitude restriction lifted. Go.
So, no missiles again. The FCS is locked.
Damn. You're good. Let's make this more interesting.
Prisoners use nothing without supervision. Not even a pencil.
Here comes Harling's murderer.
He shot 2 missiles right between old Harling's eyes.
Always in the know, aren't you?
In this war, intel is a life or death matter.
Settle down. Excited to have another murderer with you?
Yeah!
This is Bandog. Spare 15, I'm handling surveillance. The bombers that attacked the runway are coming back for another round. I know it's just a dummy runway. You guys just need to make a lot of noise. Make them think there's fighters at the base.
Anyone got a smoke? I'll own one.
If any of you die, just think of it as you atone for your crimes.
Much appreciated.
One more thing. Any aircraft leaving the operation area will be shot down. You hear me?
Righto.
43, this is School 1. Numbers we can handle. You're safe with us. School Squadron, get into formation.
Warfare balls, not people. No, people just keep getting stupider and stupider.
There's a juicy target.
Look at that. Blowing up a bunch of paper planes. The enemy seems to think our Air Force is concentrated on this base.
Everything on the ground is fake. Can't the enemy see that?
Means they're that convincing.
Shit! The enemy just hit the control tower.
Hey, what's with all the shaking? the enemy get closer. Are you trying to kill me?
Shall I order them to shoot down all? Commander McKenzie? Damn it! Spare squadron, listen up. Shoot down everything carrying bombs. Weapons free. You're cleared to engage. Show no mercy.
We'll be done by now. Gonna have to rethink the odds. Want to bet which one of us gets the first kill from the start?
This is the first.
If count's going
I
forward,
decide when you die.
All right, I'm assuming command. All aircraft support me. Who's gonna dance to your line, too? I'll show them all how it's done.
Spare 15, bandit splashed.
Trigger, keep an eye on your head count. We can compare later. Yeah, I'm betting that report will get dressed up real pretty.
Head to the next target. Radar pinged. Incoming hostile group detected. Take care of them.
Righto.
A bomber's at high altitude. Stop watching your own asses and look up.
Allow me to educate you. In this unit, you get your tail marked with scratches. The more scratches, the more heinous the crime. They're called sin lines. You have 3 scratches, right, Trigger? Well, you are Harling's murderer.
We're cut off. We can't break away. We can't. We lost all of them. Where the hell are we out here? We're losing escorts. Hurry it up. Finish the job and let's get out. No, we're in front of us. Enemy sighted. There's our number 17 superior. Wrong base.
Box 2!
Missile inbound. Breaking.
The base is decent at what he's famous for. I wouldn't go that far. Target's not slow on a challenge. Don't let it go to your head, murderer.
Multiple bandits inbound. They got bombers and support.
All aircraft follow me. You too, murderer. Geez, I only think he's squadron leader.
Well done, bandits. Attacking.
Trigger, don't get shut down now. I got good money riding on your survival. Some guys have got big money riding on you going down, so watch your back.
Spare 7, shut up. You don't need to yap to pull the trigger.
Bring that down. I'm surrounded.
Wow, look at Trigger go. Lucky shot. Trigger again.
We're on fire. We're going down.
Don't get excited. It's beginner's luck. Chew on lead, pal.
Friendly is bailing down altitude. Bailing out.
This is a pretty nice ride. Instrument service pretty good. Can't believe these things used to be scrapped. Just what kind of magic does she have in her sleeves anyway? I don't know what her problem is. Acting like she's royalty or something. That's because she's the scrap queen. Queen? More like a bad-tempered Tom. And Trigger got most of them. Maybe even all of them. That was tough luck, tabloid.
Spare 15, don't take all the fun away from your comrades. 4 targets remaining.
We're too busy to maneuver. I can't get away.
3 targets remaining.
One bandit's back. Missile inbound. Breaking. Spiked. Breaking away.
Too far, guns. Get closer. They have me spiked.
The targets are still active. Keep up the attack.
What the hell are you doing? Are you?
Wilco, Commander McKenzie, please maintain silence for the moment. 2 targets remaining.
Why in the world would someone make a squadron of convicts? Gotta be some kind of reason. Now, the paper-mache strategy at the base seems to be doing the trick. Guess every man and his dog has an idea how to end the war.
All targets confirmed eliminated.
The
Still alive, Harling's murderer? Then dinner's on me tonight.
Cut the chatter, Spare Squadron. Mission complete. RTB. Trigger's still with us. Must have the devil in his corner. Spare 7, what happens if the one you've bet on dies while landing?
Then you win. So, what, you're not done?
Did I say you could take down the enemy? Throw anyone who disobeys into solitary.
Mihai's granddaughters liked to keep to themselves mostly. They were well behaved and possessed a sort of quiet elegance. From time to time, I'd catch myself looking at them, wondering what they were talking about. I'm sure everyone on the base did the same. They were such enthralling creatures. Every night, a crowd would gather around Mihai. They were the men tasked with guarding him in the air. Their jackets all bore the same patch, a relic from a nation that was long gone. Decades ago, during the Age of Expansion, the Kingdom of Erusia absorbed many countries. Theirs was one of them. Mihai asked them,
"Yet what is a nation? Can we actually see the physical lines that divide one from another?"
People of my generation can no longer speak the language of our homeland. My grandparents always look sad when they see I have no idea what they're saying to me.
Mihai didn't say a word after that. His scarred face betrayed no emotion. He didn't get those scars from flying, though. Mihai was originally from Shalaji. His real name is Mihai Dumitru Margarita Corneliu Leopold Blanca Carol Aeon Ignatius Raphael Maria Nikitas A. Shalaji. When he was young, he was the heir to the Grand Duchy of Shalaji. Then, revolution broke out among his people. Mihai was betrayed by a close friend who pointed a gun at his face and pulled the trigger. The revolution was successful, but the new country that sprang from it was annexed by the expanding Kingdom of Erusia. The Erusian royal family allowed Mihai's family to retain their title and noble standing in the new kingdom. But Mihai surprised them all by signing up for the draft like an ordinary Erusian citizen. He was then accepted into the Air Force Academy by order of the king. Mihai soon became an ace pilot. When the royal family was ousted and Erusia became a republic, he continued his service for the new regime. Test sites soon flourished. One day, a classmate of Mihai's granddaughter visited. I noticed the rose emblem. She laughed like a princess, and I found out later she was indeed the daughter of Erusia's new ruler. She was the connection to the royal bloodline everyone was looking for, the one to restore the monarchy. This new princess was truly a godsend for the Erusian people. If Mihai's granddaughters were like the moon, she was like the sun, around which everything seemed to orbit. Her face was so expressive. It's no wonder the people of this war-torn country instantly felt at ease when they saw her speeches. They started singing. The pilots of the support plane smiled, even though they wished their nation were independent from hers. Angelic. I wonder how Mihai felt about all of this. It was my job to research his neurological data, after all. I wish I could figure him out. Whatever his feelings were about losing his homeland, he kept hidden, even from me.
Your mission is to atone for your crimes by attracting the enemy's attention. First, I want you to head from the base to the desert region of Roca-Roja to the northwest. And then second, you will attack the large Erusian base there. We've been unable to verify that base's ability to deal with fighters. You will attack and provoke the enemy into revealing their AA strategy. Get them to fire at you as much as you can. That way, we can confirm where they're firing from. Then it's a case of sending in a regular force to clean them out. For this mission, we prepared a frontline base that can be used for ammo replenishment and aircraft repairs. However, this is not for you guys. Only the regular force has permission to use it. Even if you run out of ammo, don't forget that you're just decoys. You stay out there as targets for the enemy.